got their dash. Our neck. Nice push. Push, please. Lord's dead. There's Firefox.
Come here.
Please, guys, push. Push, guys, please. Please. PLS.
No. Got it.
Guys,
got it.
Keep going.
Come on. Don't let them take it. We let them.
Clammy's gonna die to Kurt.
Oh my god.
Dude, Clammy got me still.
Oh my god.
Nice push.
Up
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint. Mission control.
You push it. Why is no one pushing it?
Oh, Firefox, you're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
He's been back.
I just moved spots.
Why did it
And
take
now-
you that long?
Sorry. And also, I don't know. I just
Guys,
had to go down. I went
they got
downstairs.
Kurt, they killed him.
So yeah. And also, I was talking to a friend earlier.
Guys, Calamity's at Kurt and he's killing me right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. Hi. I'm not here. What you mean? Somebody push the cart, please. Can't leave the
Pup
cart.
have that.
What?
Pup have that. Alright, you can stand Kurt. That'd be great. I want some action. I'm dead.
Dang, bro. My dude wants the kills, bro. Fine. Get your kills. I'll be right here.
Man killed out. Feeling like a psycho. Free. Feeling like a psycho.
Dude. Fuck it. Right now, fire down. Let's go.
Calamity's won. Legit won. Calamity's legit
Yo, so I
won.
take my place on cart. Thank you, Scott. Scott, you're gay. Scott, you're gay. Scott, you're gay. Well, I mean, like, now I guess have to kill you guys.
Dude, I just eliminated 3 of them and got that last one low. You're welcome.
Alright, we need somebody moving cart. Thank you. I'll just be drunk.
Kill him.
Oh, axes. Oh, God. I got shot. I got.
I'm dead. Oh, Google with double shotties. Yes.
I died. Let's go.
Oh, dude. Alright, I gotta stop the SMGs.
Alright, can someone be on cart and I'll be right behind the cart helping
Dude,
it.
I'm
Helping.
insane with shotguns right now. Not really, because they're a freaking spam gun. Everyone's insane with shotguns. Oh, they are? I didn't think they were. I thought they were one shot. Yeah. No, they're horrible. I can't believe you're doing so good at them. It's a gun that's that bad. Dude, I don't know. You're crazy, bro. Got him.
We have so many different players in here. Oh my god, we have wolves. I'm getting on
Bro,
cart.
this used to be like a fun type thing, and then people just started joining. Yeah.
I mean, like, we have some good players here, so, I mean, might as well.
Firefox, you sound much like Shadow.
Shadow?
You do.
Shadow.
That's what I was thinking.
He's
That's why I didn't
an annoying
notice how. Yeah, Shadow's really annoying.
Is the
Not
Shadow the
him.
no?
Wait,
Hi,
Shadow was
really
try hard,
tried
right? Yeah,
Shadow
he was
was
try
try
hard, right? Yeah.
Said I'm annoying.
He's really bad though. Yeah, no, you're not annoying. Try hard.
Okay, let's
Try hard.
try and try.
Like,
You sound like
Shadow
him.
is- Yeah, Shadow. Like he's not good though, and it makes me really good. He actually good. Behind you, cursor. 1 second sooner would have been amazing. Yeah, sorry.
Ah. One in the alleyway.
Nope, let me out, let me out.
Oh,
Dash
hi.
is open.
Watch out.
Oh my god. I got third party.
Oh my god. Ah, I missed.
Rushing on first dash. I picked up a shotgun! That's so
I could
goofy.
dashed. I could dash. Okay. That was bad. That was
Lizzie.
bad.
Stop. Tag one in shotgun.
Okay.
Whew. I know it's a rush, right? I think I might go in the alley to drive that hill.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I'm dead anyways, okay. You got high. Dude, High's KD is immaculate, bro. Was it good or bad? Oh my god, it's horrible. No, bro, it's like so good. Yeah, for real, for real. 12
What
and
is it?
26, that's amazing, bro. Seriously.
This KD is 26.
Right here, Calamity.
What? He's not KD.
Why does Peanut always have to die? It's so annoying, because I'm pushing cart, and all of the good people die. And then I don't get a free ride.
Bro, like they're just running up on me. Okay, I need something.
Okay, now I push cart free. Free, so free. Free than a Costco sample at Walmart.
Yeah. There you go.
Freer than a Costco sample at Walmart. That makes so much sense, dude. Firefox, how come we didn't think of that? Oh my god. So stupid.
I think I died.
Hi, Dash. Scar! You don't take both dashes, bro! I didn't, though.
7,
I
6,
didn't take both dashes.
Bro, no
4,
way.
3, 2, 1.
One.
Nice.
Overtime.
Okay.
Dead in mid. Gonna cart. Full watch, 200 piece, not dead. Sorry.
Red
Alright.
team wins.
Yo,
Bro,
I'm
you're
just getting like, it's crazy. I just got like shot because one of them I got baited. Like I swear, I thought he was gonna come through the other
Switching
doorway, but he came
sides.
through the like.
Alright.
Prepare for
Booga and Firefox, I gotta go. My family just got here. I'm gonna go hang out with them. So I'm gonna give admin to Booga.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go.
Alright, see you guys.
See ya.
See ya. Oh!
match
That's nice.
starts in 3, 2, 1.
Oh crap!
Go.
They see me. They see me. My location is now.
First
I got my
elimination.
shot. That's
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm alive. Bro, they went down.
Oh, I need someone to join.
I got him! I got him! I gotta go! I gotta go! No! I died.
Dude, I'm getting
location.
full loss.
Get Give up. No way. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, dude.
Hello, does anybody talk?
Oh my god! I'm alive!
No, nobody talks in
Dude,
here, bro. But you talk.
Say no one. Did he just act saying anyone's toxic or no one's toxic?
Cloudy's goofy looking goober. He likes.
Okay, who's doing that?
That
Who
was
did that?
Naranda Seti.
Yo, stop! Yo, stop! Oh my god! Oh!
Yo, stop. Did you hear that? You didn't hear that, right?
Yes, I did! Yes, I did!
Take damage time. Yeah, what was it? What was it?
Nah, bro. Bro.
What
Bro,
was it,
moaning,
Fire?
bro.
How? How did you do it?
I heard. Bro, I heard that. Like, it was. I noticed it for the last second, but.
What did it sound like? You do it. You
I'm
do
not.
it.
I'm not making that
There's-
sound. Heck no.
There's
No.
2 people over there.
No. Dude, look. Oh damn! I died.
No, bro, you should do it. So I know
No.
what it sounds like.
No.
So,
Why are you
Why
asking me to
not?
vote? I'm not doing that.
why?
No, that.
What's wrong?
No, I'm not doing it. You're out of your mind.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You lost it. Oh crap.
You have to do it.
No, I don't. Who says I have to do it?
Me.
And the answer is gonna be no.
Why?
Oh crap. Because I said so.
But I didn't say so.
I don't care. I don't care. I have one pistol. I'm just using one pistol at this point. I'm trying to plug in my charger. Oh my god.
Bro, you do it.
One is
Do
shotgun.
it. So I know.
No. No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No. Why are we going back and forth against this? No.
Yes.
This one. Jesus. No. Stop.
Or no, just two flankers.
Okay.
Oh shoot! Oh man! I just clipped him.
I think they're doing group up.
They are. That's why you push up to their spawn.
God. Oh my god, I'm alive. I'm alive. No, I died. Right there. Booga, watch out.
Rockets, you got this, Rockets. Rockets, don't die. Rockets! Rockets!
Oh, we're dead. Hold it, oh!
Point.
No!
He have a shotgun? Dang. I wonder why I died so fast. Died. No. Dang it. Bro, they're not even a moving cart. None of them are even a moving cart, bro. Oh, dang.
It's not called a moving cart, it's called a payload.
I'm saying cart, no one's moving cart.
It's called a payload. Oh! Full boxed. I'm full piecing.
Okay.
Okay, shark.
You're already done, shit, don't care. Oh my god.
Firefox down.
Nuts.
Did they started pushing the cart just barely?
Yeah, this started pushing the cart. I just realized I messed up. Die. Oh my god! That was not supposed to happen. I was supposed to dash to the ground. Not land on the other platform. That was not what.
Comedy down.
Let's go. Oh my god. Yo, okay. I got fire this in the air. Let's go. We gotta win this. Let's do this. Bro, somebody keep taking the dash and try.
Oh.
Okay. My hands are shotgun. Oh my god, I was alive. I died by high. So I died by a high. I'm sorry.
Wait, Firefox, yeah, what was it like?
What you mean? Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? How was it like? Oh my god! One in shotgun room.
Like, you know when we were saying yes and no?
Yeah.
Why aren't you doing it?
Wait, you're confusing me right now.
Like that would.
What?
Like, you know what Narenda Seta did?
I don't know. Wait. You lost me. You lost me,
They
bro.
didn't want to do?
What? You are confusing me. Like. What, bro? Make it make sense.
You didn't want to do it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. No, I'm not doing it.
Why not?
Because I don't want to. Focus.
Why?
They're getting cart over here, bro. Focus on the cart.
Why not, Firefox?
I said no, I'm not doing it. This is weird. This is weird, bro. This is weird. Stop it. Leave me alone. I am not gonna do it. Oh my god.
You are.
No, I'm not. What are you talking about? You are bugging.
Peanut down. High down. Yes, you are. Firefox.
No, I'm not.
You're doing it.
Actually, what do I have to do then? What do I have to do?
You already know.
No, I know. What you talking about? What do I have to talk about? What you talking about, bro? No, I don't know what you're talking about, buddy. I don't know. I forgot. My finger. I'm in pain. I hit
Peanuts
my
one?
finger. I don't know what. I died. I died by high.
Yes.
Let's go, mine. Oh, I can't.
Calamity's won.
Oh my god. Wait, no. Okay. Okay, dash.
Come on.
No.
There we go. Keep covering the rockets. I'm getting behind cart. Cart. No. I died again. I died by cart. That was really stupid. Just a minute after.
Calamity down.
Got him.
Nice.
Bye. Now they know where our locations are at. Okay. Oh my god.
Okay.
42. Let's go. Oh. Curve the rocket, girl. Okay. Team we're holding
Good
it.
shot. Holy
Did they
crap.
do it? Oh my god. Okay, got him. He's dead. You know, oh my god. I'm dead.
1 minute
remaining. Let's go. Oh my god. No way. No way. HyperDash.
God, Calamity.
Down. Let's go. No. I'm gonna stop. Oh my. Oh wait, no. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm alive. Okay, kill him. He's down. High is down too.
My Oculus is dead, bro.
Oh, I got both of them. Oh my god. I'm alive. I'm alive to die. Maybe. I died. Let's go.
10, 9,
Nice.
8,
They're not gonna do that. They're not gonna get here. I'm gonna stop them right now.
3, 2,
Shut up.
1. Time's up.
What?
Red
Man,
team.
Q didn't go for card. Looks like someone stuff. I joined late and I passed everyone kills. That's kind of embarrassing.
Wee. Booga. Booga, let's do a best.
I joined when Booga and Calamity both had 50-something kills.
Booga, where's Booga at?
He's not here. His Oculus died.
Oh no, dang.
We'll just wait 5 minutes.
I don't know. Alright, let's see.
You had that insane shot on me when I was like above you. You went boom. That was insane, bro. I was like, oh.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it right now. Just
Yeah, Peanut, you're really good for your level. People your level are usually like this.
Okay. Come on, I can do this. I can do this. Okay, let's go.
Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Red takes B.
Dang.
Red takes B. Counter. Elimination. Counter. Red team countered.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I hit my hand again. Bro. All this domination.
Blue takes B.
How many times are probably gonna be hitting my hand
2, 1.
on random objects?
Blue takes C.
Oh my god!
C. Red takes B. Red team scores. Countered. Red team scores 3, 2, 1.
Nope.
Red team
Let's go.
wins this round. Match starts in 3,
Hit the
2,
chair. How?
1, go. Red takes A. First elimination.
Oh my god. Okay. Just rushed me.
Blue takes B.
Dude was ready to kill me. Oh my god.
Blue takes A. Red team scores 3,
Let's
2,
go.
1.
They're not
Red
getting it.
team wins this round.
Got it.
2, 1. Match point. Blue takes B.
Die.
Red
Oh,
takes B.
get out of the way.
Blue takes C.
Yo.
Blue team scores encounter.
No way he just did that. No way he just did that.
Blue takes A.
I panicked. No way.
Blue team scores encountered.
Hey.
Red takes B.
Bro.
Red team
Wolf
scores
just
encountered.
walked around the corner and
Red
just
team
killed me.
Scores 3,
I didn't even
2,
like
1.
I noticed him too
Red team
late.
wins.
I see nobody even get a chance to react in time. I know this is gonna get clipped. Oh, he's on Wolf. Okay. Okay. Bro, you did me dirty. You did me dirty. You did me dirty, bro. That's just wrong.
Oh my god.
That's just wrong, bro. How you gonna walk up on me on the corner and just kill me like
He
that?
just joined. He just joined.
Alright. Bye, guys.
No.